we're taking the brakes and replacing brakes and rotors. You just don't want to get any tension on there. That should even out both. Okay. Get one in to allow it to rest. So this will determine whether or not you pumped enough.
We make the strings louder.
Hey YouTube, it's your boy Magnificent. Queen Bee's recording. We're taking the brakes and replacing brakes and rotors on a 2018 Pacifica. Real simple process. I'm simply going to use a 13 to remove these two here. I'm gonna use a 21 to remove these two caliper bolts. I'm gonna remove them, and I'm gonna go ahead and prior to put two nuts on here to keep the current rotor on. Take them off, put the rotor on, put them back, and then go ahead and assemble these. Take this one piece off, so I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble the actual caliper, take off this section, and then put the brakes on, and then of course put them back, and we'll be good to go. So let's go. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. I'm gonna put it right here. You could use a bungee cord to hold it, which I might do. It's kind of, you just don't want to get any tension on there. So, bungee. Right here is good. Just has to keep it there. Okay. All right, ratchet comes in handy right about now, but by hand works. If you lift up on it a little bit, minimize the tension, goes much faster. Memorize how this looks, because you're going to replace it. You gotta do that sometimes. There's the brake part cleaner. It comes from the factory with some oil to preserve it. Make sure you just wipe it off real quick. There were some Pacificas that when you took it off, it had a little ridge. You had to match the ridge with where it was initially, but this one doesn't have it, so all good. But if you're replacing it with an OEM, this is not OEM, you have to look for that ridge. Just a heads up. All right. There are different tools you can use to compress the calipers. Make sure that before you do what I'm about to do, you've got to take off the brake, the cap for the brake canister where you put the brake fluid, because you don't want to bust any seals. But I love this tool. I've used it a lot. Okay, goes like so, and I'm just gonna pump. That should even out both. All right, see, both compressed. Let's go ahead and put these on. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna take this off. Where's my lube? Oh. Make it easier for this to slip on, so I'm gonna put it on here. You literally just replace it for what it was. There it is. Hear that click? That's what you're looking for. Same thing here. Click. That one's in all the way right there. See? This one's not in all the way. There we go. Now it's in. These are the small rookie mistakes that you can miss. All right. Lube it up. All right, now I need some grease. All right, so just gonna use lithium grease. You can use this grease that came with it. Just gonna pump some in there. Not too much, just enough to, this thing was bone dry when I got it. I doubt this vehicle has ever been given any love. Even ugly vehicles need love too. All right, now, last but not least. Same thing. I'm gonna learn from last time. Oh, I wanna lube this up too. There she is. Done. Okay, now I'm just gonna put this bad boy on. Okay. Just get one on and you'll be good. Secured. Can't hold this. Again, it says 79 torque pounds. That means it's tight.
That means we're done. Kill yourself.
All right. So this will determine whether or not you pumped enough. So this needs to go further in. There we go. Clear as this one. This bottom one is, you gotta push a little bit, push down. We'll clear both. Just get one in to allow it to rest. It already has the grease on it, so you're good. Okay, 13. I'm gonna tighten it. Yeah, we're pretty much done. Okay, it's good, done. Let's put the tire back. And this is what it should look like. New rotors, new calipers. So that's it, y'all. If you have the right tools, it'll take you maybe 30, 45 minutes. That's it, y'all. Magnificent signing out. Peace.